I'm going to show you how to create video ads with AI from start to finish. How to create realistic video ads with AI. Of course, you don't need to switch on your camera before you create a converting video for your Meta ads, Google ads, or whatever platform of your choice, right? With InVideo AI, you can turn any content or idea into video instantly. As you can see, idea to YouTube videos, which you can also use for social media ads too, right? For Meta ads, YouTube ads, slideshow, whatever, right? And with InVideo AI, you can turn any content or idea into video instantly, right? So to get started, just click on join with Google or join with Apple, right? So let's just use Google. You can just enter your email here and to create an account. So let's quickly create a new account right now. So just click here to choose an account. To create an account, click on continue. Then just quickly create an account quickly. Just click on continue. All right. Okay, so how do you discover InVideo? Just say from YouTube, continue. Let's know you better. Let's just say marketer advertiser, continue. What's your year? Of course, you can enter your year, right? So okay, so now that we have gotten to of course you can always upgrade to the pay. You can always upgrade. I will drop a link to InVideo will be on the description of this video, right? So do it to check the description of this video to register for your InVideo account, right? Using my link and get some advantages, right? So this is version 3.0. okay, so you can always say use my script, right? Just click on this use my script here. You can always create short video, you can make explainer video, you can create animated film, you can do workflow, you can also use a lot of plugins by like you can clone your own voice here, right, to look very real. So let's just click on this use my script, right? And you can go to ChatGPT, get a video script from ChatGPT by entering some prompts, which I have discussed on my channel already, right? So make sure you check the description of this video to watch that video on how I create Meta ads with AI from start to finish. All right, so copy the prompt from ChatGPT, then come here and you can paste it here. All right, you can paste it here. You can use music, you can use background music, you can use language, you can use subtitle, you can even use voice actors. All right, add all this stuff to your video if you really want to. All right, so this is English selected here. So let's just click on continue, right? Then click on generate a video, right? And our video is going to be created in seconds, right? This video, so don't forget to check the description of this video on a link to InVideo AI, all right, and a link on how to create proven scripts with ChatGPT so that you can take it here to create your ad. All right, so this is going to give us an option again. Of course, our video version, generative media, our visual style is realistic, then audience is entrepreneurs, then our platform is let's say YouTube Shorts. Let's say now YouTube is a landscape, so let's use Instagram Reels, or let's just use YouTube, right, depending on the resolution you want, right? So you can always edit your prompt here, then you can click continue to create your video, right? So you can see this video needs generative credits, right? So you need just a plus plan to create good video ads for you. I mean realistic video ads that are going to convert for you, right? Creating videos, creating the script with ChatGPT and creating the videos with InVideo AI, right? Creating Meta ads from start to finish. Yeah, like Facebook ads with AI from A to Z, right? So you can just, so from for this tutorial sake, I'll just click on proceed with stock media free, right? Then I click on continue. So I can always click notify me when the video is ready, right? So I'll be notified in my email once this video is ready, or on Chrome too, right? So that's how you basically create a video with InVideo AI, right? So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any important updates like this. So the video is ready. Once the video is ready, you can always click on download to download the video. So you can see no watermark, subtitle is premium. So you just need a plus plan, right? So you can for the sake of this tutorial, I will just put it as stock watermark, leave it as normal, and 1080p so that we can just download this video. All right. So of course you want to make sure you remove watermark, right? Okay, ready to download. Okay, so our video is downloading now, 34 megabytes, right? So why is downloading? Let me show you. You can always check your videos from this from your media library. You can always see your videos. Yeah, right. So let's go to home. So this is the video we just generated, right? You can only see your videos here. So guys, our video has downloaded already, so let's just watch it from our computer directly, right?
You already know followers don't equal sales. Now it's time to act. You clicked for a reason. You're tired of random posting with no results. Imagine getting direct messages daily from real buyers without boosting a single post. Hundreds of students now pull daily leads using DCOT, fast action bonus for this enrollment cycle. Click learn more and finish what you started.
Right, so guys, this is a retargeting script I copied from here. All right, click learn more to finish what you started. Right, so that's how we basically create video from here. And you need the plus plan to remove the watermark. Right, so for the clone your voice under plugin, just come to voices, then click on add voice. Right, so like I said, you just need a plus plan, right? And you can get it with the link on the description in this video. Right, once you get this plus plan, you will be able to clone your voice here and create a lot of realistic videos on HD high resolutions. Right, you can do text to clip here, text to image here, photo to clip here, text to title clip here, and a lot more you can do with this, right? And you can use different languages, different country, different country and different races, different colors, and you know, a lot of that you can really do when you are creating an ad here. So guys, there's one thing you need to note when you are creating a video using my script. You want to make sure you select the resolution you want. If it's YouTube, which is the one we just downloaded now, you see that it's on landscape. All right, it's on landscape there. If it's on TikTok, which is portrait mode, right, and if it's Instagram, it's more likely to be square image, right, 1:1 image. So whatever platform you want, always select it, right? So that's one thing you need to know. Then on this setting, you can only use generated clips, generated image, or only stock images, right? And you can select languages and a lot more. You can select background music, language, subtitle, even the video, even the voice actors you want to use or model, all right? And you can even use your own, clone your own voice, and a lot more you can do with this app, right? So that's how basically create videos, right? So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel so that when I post next, you'll be the first to get notified. Don't forget to check out the videos on the description of this video and a link to create your InVideo account, all right, your free account. So see you on my next video. Bye for now.